How to change name in AFK Arena. Hi guys, it's Mikran from Gaming Basics. Today I'll be guiding you how to change name in AFK Arena. Changing name in AFK Arena is quite easy, so without any delay, let's get started. Open AFK Arena, launch the game, start the game on your mobile device. Access your profile icon, tap on the profile icon located in the top left corner of the main screen. Edit your name. In the profile menu, you will see your current player name. Tap on the pencil or edit icon next to your name. Enter a new name. A prompt will appear allowing you to enter a new name. Type in your desired new name. Confirm the changes. Once you have entered the new name, tap on the confirm button to save the changes. Name change conditions. Free change. The first name change is usually free. After that, you may require in-game currency or item like name changing card to change the name. Check rules. Ensure your name comply with the game's naming policy and guidelines to avoid any issue. And that's how you can change name in AFK Arena. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.